To convert your image into speed drawing videos with Canva mobile, so let's go to this plus sign and scroll at our base down here and go over to our apps. We're using a free AI tool called Speed Paint, so let's search for that. We click on Speed Paint, come over to choose file to choose the file you want to work on. This is the image preview, and it's asking overall smoothness, what FPS do you want it in, duration sketch of the video, do you want any color fills, do you want to add hand sketch effects, and do you want to add fade out effect. I want to add all those. Do you want to change the background color of what you're going to be designing, but I still want it to be in white, so I'll leave it as it is, and I'll go to animate image. It has finished creating the video. I'm just going to click this 3 dots line and set it as background. So let's play the video to see what it looks like. This is particularly useful if you're going to be using this in your video making process. Once you like the finished product, you can click on this arrow here to export your file. It will be exported as suggesting MP4 video. You click on download. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.